after meeting a doctor, she suggested to have a glutathione enzyme skin whitening treatment. So I'm extremely excited for that. Let's see how it goes.
So now the first step is done, that's cleansing, and now we are going to deep cleansing. So now I think we are going with 3-time pack, and we'll keep it for 15 minutes. So now we are having enzyme whitening massage. So now we are doing electroporation. I think that's for underglue. So this is the last procedure. It's called a black mask. So I finally got done with the procedure, and trust me, it was such an amazing experience. The whole whitening procedure guarantees that your face glows, and trust me, I can see that it's quite visible from the first sitting itself. And I'm gonna come here again and again. Celebrity Secrets just did the right thing for me. Thank you.